For decades, we've tried to understand planets by looking at them one at a time. Earth here, Mars there, Jupiter over there, each treated as an exception, each explained in isolation. But planetary evolution does not happen in isolation. It happens as a system, and the evidence for that system is not hidden in distant galaxies. It is orbiting the planets we already know. It's in the moons. Moons are not random debris. They are not leftovers. They are scaled planetary experiments, because unlike planets, moons exist in every developmental state at the same time. Some are molten, some have oceans, some have atmospheres, some are magnetically active, some are frozen relics, some are breaking apart, all orbiting the same parent planet. That alone tells us something profound. Planetary evolution is not linear in time. It is cyclical in structure. We cannot watch Earth evolve into Mars. We cannot watch Mars evolve into a Jupiter-like body. But we can observe every one of those stages right now, if we stop looking at planets and start looking at moons. Around Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune we see bodies with extreme internal heating, bodies with subsurface oceans, bodies with thick atmospheres, bodies with magnetic fields, bodies that have cooled and fossilized, bodies that are fragmenting into debris. These are not anomalies, they are stages. Moons are not exceptions to planetary physics. They are proofs of it. If impacts created moons, we would see chaos. We don't. Instead, we see disks. We see orderly orbits. We see resonance. We see layered formation. That tells us moons form the same way planets do, from accretion disks through energy loss into stable orbits, which means moons are not accidents. They are miniature planets, frozen at different points in the same cycle. This is the piece modern models struggle with. They try to explain planetary evolution using single snapshots. Earth is special, Jupiter is different, Pluto is an outlier. But when you look at moons, the pattern becomes unavoidable. Earth is not special, it is timed. Jupiter is not different, it is late stage. Pluto is not an accident, it is a remnant. The moons show us what planets were, what they are, and what they become. This isn't abstract theory. It directly affects how we think about civilization, survival, expansion, long-term planning. If planets evolve, then stability is temporary. If stability is temporary, then civilization must adapt. That means understanding where Earth is in the cycle and which bodies are stable enough to build on. The moon is one of them. Not because it's romantic, but because it's structurally stable. This is why the moon matters. Not as an escape, not as science fiction, but as the next controllable step in human civilization. In the next videos, we'll examine individual moons of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and beyond, and show how each one maps to a specific planetary stage. By the end, you won't be guessing about planetary evolution, you'll be recognizing it. And once you see the cycle, you can't unsee it.